We're on a 12 on 12 residential roof in Alabama. This is going to be a Golden Pledge Warranty roof. Golden Pledge warranties are offered by GAF. They are a 25-year workmanship warranty that is provided by GAF and a 50-year warranty on the whole system, not just the top layer of shingles, but the underlayment, the flashing, everything is warranted under GAF. We've taken off a layer of architectural shingles. These shingles had hail damage. We've gone right down to the original wood deck substrate. This is 1/2 inch CDX plywood. And right now we're cleaning up everything. We'll be laying out our felt. We're gonna put underlayment over the whole roof. We're gonna put ice and water storm guard underlayment in the valleys and around all pipe penetrations. And this roof will be made to last a long time. This is Billy Guyette with Guyette Roofing.